YouTube Mastery Blueprint. Plan, shoot, edit, post, grow. Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of making jaw-dropping YouTube videos that not only captivate your audience but also help your channel grow. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started on the ultimate YouTube Mastery Blueprint. The first step to YouTube success is a solid plan. Before you hit that record button, take the time to brainstorm ideas, outline your content, and identify your target audience. Trust me, a well-thought-out plan can make all the difference. Consider trends, research keywords, and always stay true to your niche. This will not only boost your discoverability but also keep your audience coming back for more. Now, let's talk about shooting. Lighting, framing, and camera angles are your best friends. Whether you're using a smartphone or a professional camera, make sure your visuals are on point. Experiment with different shots, and don't be afraid to showcase your personality. Authenticity is key, and it helps build a connection with your viewers. Editing is where the magic happens. Trim the fat, add engaging graphics, and keep things snappy. Remember, attention spans are short, so make every second count. Editing is where the magic happens. Trim the fat, add engaging graphics, and keep things snappy. Remember, attention spans are short, so make every second count. Alright, you've got your killer video ready. Now, let's talk about posting. Craft an eye-catching thumbnail, write a compelling title, and optimize your video description with relevant keywords. SEO is your best friend here. Use tags, write a detailed description, and share your video across social media platforms to maximize reach. The more eyes on your content, the better. Last but not least, let's focus on growth. Dive into your analytics to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Engage with your audience through comments and build a community around your content. Consistency is key, so stick to your posting schedule. Collaborate with other creators, and never stop learning and evolving. Your growth is a journey, not a destination. And there you have it, the YouTube Mastery Blueprint. Follow these steps, stay passionate, and watch your channel soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep rocking the YouTube game. Ready to level up your content? Dive deeper with our exclusive tips and tricks series. #YouTube Mastery. Thank you so much for joining us on this YouTube journey. Remember, your creativity has the power to inspire and entertain. So, go out there, create amazing content, and let your unique voice be heard. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights and inspiration. Until next time, happy filming!